Okay, in this video we're going to do a short pronunciation lesson here of 3 different letters in Spanish. First of all, the Z or the Z if you're from England, the C and the S. So first of all, let's take a look at this Z. Now in Spain, it always has a TH pronunciation except for some southern accents or in the Canary Islands. Now, if you're studying Spanish from Mexico, Central South America, it's always going to just be an S sound. But for Spain, a Z is like a TH. So the word here, zapato, would be zapato. Or look at the next word. It would be pronounced zambomba. Or this city here would be pronounced Zaragoza. Zaragoza. In the south of Spain, you will hear people sometimes say Zaragoza, where the Z is pronounced like an S. Now, the S in Spain is always pronounced like an S in English, again, except for some southern accents, where I'll talk about that in a minute. So, for example, these words, salsa, is pronounced salsa or siesta or España. In the south of Spain, sometimes it's pronounced like a TH. So you will actually hear a southerner in the south say salsa or siesta, which is very hard for English speakers to really capture. But anyways, don't worry about that. It is almost all the time pronounced like an S. And finally, the C in Spain has 2 different sounds, and it depends on what vowel follows it. So for example, a C in Spain is always going to sound like a K, like in kilo, except if the vowels E or I follow the C. And in these cases, the sound in Spain is a TH, In other countries, Spanish-speaking countries, instead of a TH, it will be like an S sound. So for example, the first word here, cabeza, cabeza. Remember the Z sounds like a TH, and you see how it sounds like. The next one, cereza, with a TH sound, cereza. If you're from the south of Spain, from the Canary Islands, from Mexico, from Peru, it's going to be cereza. And finally, in Spain, this last word is going to be ciruela, ciruela. But again, in some accents in the south of Spain or in the Canary Islands or in Venezuela, it's going to be ciruela. All right? So look on the right of my screen. How do you pronounce that first word? If you need to pause the video and think about it, how would you pronounce these words in Spain? So the first word would be pronounced zanahoria, zanahoria. Look at number 2. Cerveza, cerveza. Number 3. Cocido, cocido. Number 4. Andalucía, Andalucía. Number 5. Luz, luz. Number 6. Brazo, brazo. Number 7, manzana, manzana. Number 8, salchicha, salchicha. And number 9, veces, veces. Now, I'm from the United States, originally from Ohio. And when I first started learning the Spanish from Spain, yes, everyone thinks it's a lisp or it's really hard to pronounce, but trust me, over time you don't even think about it. And actually it helps distinguish some words where if you're always pronouncing a Z as an S, you can have some slight confusions. So actually that TH for a Z does differentiate some words a little bit more clearly. So just keep practicing it. Yes, it's awkward and strange at first, but over time you won't even think about it, and you are learning it with this pronunciation. You're learning the pronunciation of the Castilian or the Castellano Spanish. All right, good work. Keep practicing.